Alright everybody, welcome back to part 2 of our basement finish project. Here's a picture of our lumber package and dumpster showing up. Shout out to 4-Leaf Roll-Offs for all your dumpster needs. You guys are great to work with. We'll jump right into our plumbing portion of the job, getting our drain lines ran, followed by getting framing materials inside of the basement. Then followed by our chalk lines getting laid out around the basement to mimic our blueprint. Here you'll see our base plate being laid in so that we can begin to frame walls on top of that. You guys are over here planning the layout for the door with the irrigation. If you remember part 1, how that was all over the place where our new door is going to be. We'll walk over here and we've got our green treat laying on the side there and our storage room being framed in here, followed by the bathroom. Give them a little bit of time to get done that day, and looks like they got her complete. Here we've got our storage room and bathroom framed in, our future wet bar area set up. These guys are very fast. They did this in about 4 to 6 hours, getting everything framed in. And at this point, they'll frame everything in. We will then do HVAC, electrical, and plumbing, and then come back and encapsulate everything with our bulkheads. Now we'll jump into the next day. HVAC getting started. We'll install their supply and return lines. We've got our man here jackhammering the floor up to accommodate our center drain shower. There's a picture of that. Here is our irrigation revised and door being set. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for part 3.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here.